friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant. This query asked by one of our friend in Facebook. Okay, so actually what it is. First of all, I'll explain you this and I will show you the solution. Right? So what he needs that the names, what are the names here? The names count here. If the names counts are less than 5, okay, less than 5, then the name should extract, okay, like this. Karthik is not less than, it will also see here, okay. Only if it is less than or equal to 5, then it will, the Hema will also come, okay. So Hema is not there, see here. So it is not neither less than or greater than, okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay. If you add a 6 here, see here what will happen. 6, M also came because it is greater than, okay. If it is less than, I mean say less than 5, 4, see it will come the name over here, okay. I will explain you how to do this, okay. I'll delete this one first of all, okay. Now first of all we will do count how many are less than 5 and greater than 5, okay. Actually if you take anything less than 5 like this, it will what you say, it is not a normal, it's a normal function, it's not an array function, okay. If you take more than 1, then it will consider as an array. Wait a second, this is called an array, okay. Less than, I'll hard code here, okay. F4, locking from all sides. This one also I want to lock it, okay. So now it will show you 0 only because nothing is here, okay. Enter, just I will keep enter 5, okay. Now see, I will select this one and I will enter F9. See, it is less than 5, 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 okay. Now convert this into numbers by using double negative, okay. Here comparative operator is there, for that reason we have to force into one thing, F9. So it will consider, it will convert into a numbers, true will convert into a 1 and false will convert into a 0. Select this one, control enter, okay. This is less than, just I will copy this one. Instead of less than, I will use greater than 3, okay. Instead of less than, I will use less than or equal to, okay. Total 8 are there, for that reason I should include. If you want to greater than, you have to use this one. If it is less than, you have to use less than or equal to over here, okay. Now coming to function, just I need to copy this one from here. Wait a minute guys, control C, escape, is equal to index. Index, what we need? Array. So we need names, okay. Locking from all sides, comma, okay. I will start from basic, okay. First of all like this, equal, okay. Now if I select this one and F9, see true, true, false, false, okay. If anything is true over in this function, what you will do, in my previous videos it is there, take all things, will here F4 minus row of this thing, F4 plus 1, okay. F9, see what it will do, see value of true, F9. So it will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If it is true, it will pick up those true values. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8. Okay. So we got that one. I don't know why it is not coming. Just I'll suspend. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll press enter. It will look better. F2. Now, from smallest to biggest I need small, and the k value, if it is 1, it has to pick up 1. If it is 2, it has to pick up 2. But I will use this one, rows d $10 colon d10. Okay, it will give, see, it will give only the single answer. Okay, control enter. It's an array. Now index, what you need in index? You need the names, right? Names, F4 comma this whole thing. Okay, close parenthesis. That's it. Control shift and enter. Double click. To rid of errors, what you will do? If error, if you find any error in this function, so give me the blank, else run this formula. Okay, just I am copying this one from here to here. Control R. Instead of less than, where it is less than or equal to, I will use greater than. Control shift enter. Same formula. That's it. Okay, if you want, you can check it out. Right, guys? And thank you guys. Thanks for your support. Have a nice day.